Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of trade. The act of purchasing and selling goods or services. For example, a move to ban all trade in ivory. The second definition of trade. This is a skilled job that requires special training and manual skills. For example, the fundamentals of the construction trade. American pronunciation. Trade. Trade. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Trade. Say. Trade. Trade means action of buying and selling goods and services. Trade. Trade. Trade origin. Late Middle English is a noun. It comes from Middle Low German, which literally means track. This word is related to tread. The earliest senses were course, way to life. This gave rise in 16th century to habitual practice or an occupation, and is killed manually craft. Current verb meanings date back to the late 16th century. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. But injuries and trades are expected in sports. Now, repeat after me. But injuries and trades are expected in sports. The second practice. She recently attended a conference on international trade in Germany. Now, repeat after me. She recently attended a conference on international trade in Germany. Visual representation of trade. Trade means the act of purchasing and selling goods or services.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.